Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to use make.com for YouTube automation. So let's just begin. Now here, as you can see right in front of me, I have make.com official, you can see workspace. So I have basically a system. This is going to be getting videos from my Dropbox and using ChatGPT to enter in here the title, the description, and tags. And once everything is added, it will be uploading a video, as you can see over here. So you can see, let me skip this guided scene over here. Now, how basically this is working, we have 4 different nodes over here. So the first one is basically a repeater, is going to be repeating the process again and again. And here, as you can see, the value is 1. So this is the number of executions that it is going to be doing. So it is going to be picking the videos from Dropbox, and it's going to be repeating this. It is going to be getting one video every time, and the cycle is going to be repeated a maximum of 3 times as initialized. So before we move to the further nodes, I like to introduce you to the link in the description. Using that, you can simply get 1 month for free on pro plans if you use that link. So make sure to head over to that and get yourself that amazing offer. Then we have Dropbox. Of course, you need to connect your Dropbox account over here, and then you will be easily able to fetch your videos from Dropbox and then add your different kind of details, like for example titles. And these nodes could be easily found from the option below. You can see, click on this plus icon, and in here you can see we have repeater and everything. So you can see we have this is the flow control and many other options as well. So if you want to find OpenAI, you can see we have ChatGPT, and we also have, you can see, Drive, and even YouTube itself. So you can add these nodes and automate your process accordingly. So that's how you can use make.com for YouTube automation.